Hey everybody! I am Jen Harris and I am so excited to welcome you to your Confidence Corner and our little tip today, which is how to rock the perfect red lip. Actually, like a proven statistic that men pay more attention to women with red lipstick on. Pro-wife tip. Click follow so that you can get all the upcoming tips and tricks for your beauty routine. I love teaching you guys things that you can use on the go as busy mamas because I'm one myself. So let's get started. I am so excited. I'm going to teach you guys about how to rock the perfect red lip without feeling crazy, without taking too much time. So number one is make sure you exfoliate your lips, okay? So tip number one, exfoliate your lips. I like to use the lip exfoliator, Moodstruck lip exfoliator. It is a sugar scrub and it is the perfect lip exfoliator. I've already used that tonight. Tip number two is make sure that your eyes aren't super crazy, okay? Play down your eyes a little bit. You don't wanna go in there with freaking purple eyes and like dark eyes and then throw on a red lip. You're gonna look like Mimi from that show, the Drew Carey show. We don't need to look like Mimi up in here. I just went with like some browns and pinks, okay? And then this really gorgeous glitter liner that I can't stop with, okay? Your lashes can be on fleek, your brows can be on fleek. Just keep it kind of neutral-ish in the eye area. Tip number three for rocking a red lip is to use a lip liner. My suggestion is to find a lip liner that matches the lipstick that you're gonna use, okay? And at least in the tone. So you're gonna make an X at your Cupid's bow, which is right here. And then you're gonna line around your natural lip line, guys. Do not get all crazy on me and make your lips this big. Ain't nobody wanna be Rudolph the red-lipped reindeer. Here's another little like bonus tip. If you actually use it to color in your entire lip, your color is going to last longer and it's gonna stick better. Lip liner is going to make sure that your color doesn't bleed. I don't remember what we were calling it. Were we calling them steps or tips? 4, pick the finish that you want. Do you want a metallic finish? Do you want a matte finish? Do you want a glossy finish? If you want a glossy finish, go with a red gloss. If you want a matte finish, you might want a liquid lipstick and matte. If you want a metallic finish, you might want a metallic liquid lipstick. And if you want a creamy finish, you're gonna want a regular Opulence lipstick. And here's how you're gonna pick your color, okay? And when you pick your color, make sure you match your lip liner to that color, okay? So if you are pale or blonde hair, if you have like pink undertones or even yellow, more yellow undertones, I want you to pick like an orangish red, like kind of like this color, or maybe like a blue red. If you're brunette or you have more of a darker complexion, I want you to go with like a deep red or a burgundy or a brownish red. Now, you can wear whatever red lip you want. You're gonna rock it, girl. I promise you. But those are my recommendations for your comfort zone. What I'm gonna do is we're just gonna put this on over top of the lip liner. I think the most common concern that I see with red lips is people are afraid of the color bleeding, but you don't have to be. Use the lip liner tip and I promise you you're gonna be fine. Step number 5, take your finger, go like that. You're gonna get the excess red off of your inner lips, and so it's not gonna get on your teeth. Step number 6, I'm really good at steps, guys. So step or tip number 6 is we are gonna blot. And voila, you are rocking that red lip now, girl. I'm Beyonce. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, now put your hands up, oh. I'm gonna give you a little bonus tip. If you want your bottom lip to look just a little bit fuller, I want you to take a gloss of any kind. I'm using a holographic gloss, but you can use a gloss of any kind. Just dab a little in the bottom lower lip in the middle. You guys see that? It makes it appear even fuller. That is how you're going to rock your red lip. Everything that I do, I like to give tips that like even busy moms can use. Because listen, you could very easily, like before you run out the door, throw a little bronzer on your eye, throw your foundation on, and put that red lip on, girl. Rock your day. Ask for that raise. Ask for that promotion. Ask that cute boy out on a date. Okay? He'll say yes. He'll say yes with that red lip. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to follow for more tips.